We got situations in our life that we try to correct and that we try to make ends do. But it's not your job. The prophet said, in the year that the king Uzziah died, I saw the Lord. Sometimes you have to let things in your life die in order to see God. Read. You can't let nothing stand in your way from your availability to God. Because whenever you're available to God, everything else will fall in line. He said, seek you first the kingdom of heaven, then all of these other things will be added. Amen. Are you available? Are you available? Are you available to the Lord? Not available to party, not available to this and that, but are you available for God's service? Even the prophet was a prophet of God. But something had to die in his life in order for him to see God. Read.
And his train filled the temple.
Yes.
Above it stood the seraphim.
Yes, them angels.
Each one had 6 wings.
Yes.
With twain he covered his face. And with twain he covered his feet.
Yes.
And with twain he did fly.
Yes.
And one cried unto another and said, Holy, holy, holy is the Lord of hosts. The whole earth is full of his glory.
Do you know we was made for the glory of God? Man was made for the glory of God. And the writer said the whole earth is full of his glory. I don't know if some of you, when I went on a ship or you go overseas, we was going past this country. And the mountains were so beautiful. The houses in the mountains. This is a beautiful world. So if you want to get to see something, get to see something. God got some beautiful things that you haven't seen. We went to one country and the water in the ocean was blue.